Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard theme in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to typing interface and see here. By default, this is the keyboard theme. Okay, white color combination is the keyboard theme. If you would like to change to other theme for your keyboard, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to additional settings, then go to keyboard and input method, and go to manage keyboards and click on Gboard. Now select theme, and here you can select other theme. Okay, this is other theme, and click on apply, and I select this theme now and click on apply and see the changes. Go to the typing interface and see here keyboard theme is now in black and white combination. Okay, if you would like to use other color themes, yes, you can do it. See here, this will be the preview of your keyboard. Click on apply. I click on this one and click on apply, and I am checking. See here, keyboard theme is changed to green color. Okay, suppose if you want to there are a lot of themes. Okay, so if you want to set a photo as a keyboard theme, okay, just click on this plus symbol and select any photo from your gallery. Okay, and click on next and click on done, and this selected photo will be in the background of the keyboard. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily change any theme for your keyboard in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.